All right, guys, just a quick short video on how to actually charge the Dji Mavic remote. This thing did not come powered on for me at all. You can actually say I did get a quick plug in there. I'm at 0%. So initially when I first got this, I was thinking that you charged it down here in the USB, but that is not the right place. So originally it comes plugged in just like so. And so, it's obviously flat, but we're gonna go ahead and pop this part off. It's a little micro USB. This cord was given with the whole package that I purchased, but no cube or anything was. So I'll use a cube just so that I, just the easiest thing, obviously from my older Apple products. So anyway, I'll go ahead and just plug that in right there. And then obviously we're gonna plug it into the cube. I've got a charger right here, or electrical outlet, and then obviously you can see it's starting to charge. Short and simple way. I'm not sure how long it'll actually take, but as soon as it's done, obviously then you'll pull this part, plug this part back in, and then it does have the iPhone Lightning charge there too. So anyway, that's a quick short video on how to actually charge the Mavic remote. Hope it helped you guys. Check out all my other videos on how to slowly learn this. Everything I'm doing, I don't know what I'm doing with the Mavic Pro yet. So I'm doing videos to help you guys go along the process as well, and to give me some good content out there too. So anyway, feel free to watch the rest of my videos, other videos regarding my Mavic Pro, or other videos of my how-tos, unboxings, reviews, all kinds of stuff that I got going out there. I do a video a day for a year to show you guys the YouTube process, and if you can make money, and if I know that if I can do it, you can do it, and I show you guys how to do it. Hope you guys like this one. Can't wait to see you in the next one. See you guys.